At a B2B lead generation through agentic AI. What it does is basically you simply have to start with business description and your website URL. Let's start with a company. Let's say this is a PV construction company. So we are a PV construction company. And then from where do you want to source leads? It could be through Google search, that is maps on your business, Indiamart, or just dialects to Indiamart, right? That we can do. Let's first generate the target ICP. Now with this, what it will do, it will give you these things as per what the AI has been trained or has understood for this kind of business the ICP should be. So you can see that the ICP is manufacturing, logistics, warehousing, e-commerce, automation, pharmacy, food, beverage, infrastructure, large format retail. Now it has also done industries to exclude. So residential construction, small scale commercial, software, IT services. These are excluded. Financial services. Now let's say you want to look at minimum, yeah, minimum 20 crore company, minimum 10 crore company, and let's say maximum you want to look at let's say 100 crore company, right? Company size you can choose. So you have description keywords already provided here. Okay, let's say a little bigger company that I want to choose for whom I will be doing a PVB constructions, right? So it needs to be 100, like around 50 to 100 employees or something like that. So start with 10 leads and we'll see more. So now I have created a document on which I want to dump the leads and sync the leads, so that when next time I run it, there is no duplicacies. So what I'm going to do is put in this, and with that I will, as I discussed, that let's look at IndiaMart for this, and I will write run B2B. So once it is processing, you can see how the agent functions here. So it's targeting 10 to 100 crore companies, taking the source as IndiaMart, so the inclusions and exclusions, and within few minutes you'll have a list of leads. And then if you run again, it will check whether it has already secured those leads for you and give you fresh new leads. So every time you run, you get fresh leads, you do not get repeat leads. That's one of the most important things. And then of course you can use those leads to further reach out people. Now the fun part is when we essentially get the leads, you will see that it has also generated a short reach out message for you based on their viability of the business and your viability of the business and how you should collaborate. So so it is executing a deep B2B search, and in what next 1 minute you'll be receiving. Yes, so now you see it has got the company name, key person, contact information with phone number, and it has also given you this personal outreach message which you can just copy from here. So global infra project specialized BB, which aligns perfectly with our BB construction services. We can help with your next industrial park or warehouse, right? So you also get to what is the size of the company. Since I have generally looking for small size company who are looking for PV construction, then less, we can of course increase this. So let's set copy and open sheet. Okay. So now you see all the data. So these are not exactly errors. These are basically your numbers that has come as equal to. So you can always correct them a little or use a simple formula to prune them when you receive them, right? Yeah. So and then this is your number 0 plus 0 to 1. Yeah. So you found this, right? Now let's say you want to redo it again, and this time you need say 15 leads, and you have increased this to say 500 CR company, right? And you're looking from Now let's say you're looking at let's say 40 CR to 500 CR company. Now you rerun this again. So once you rerun this, you see the process. That is now you'll find some 15 leads and then add it to the sheet here. See, it already sees 10 records are there. Open the sheet. You can directly click here to open the sheets. So now let's see, it is coming out with the next set of 15 leads and then how pulse out there. Yeah, now within a minute you will get all the 15 leads that you have asked from here. If you want to start fresh, you can clear history and start fresh. Yeah. Now you see it has found bigger name. Now this is Love Kumar. You're getting exact email addresses. So so your confidence scores are very high. You see now for these kind of companies, these are your proper targets, right? Uh, this 40 to 500 crore for which PEB construction makes a lot of sense. So now these phone numbers, see direct high score direct DM email and personal LinkedIn phone, right? Now it is telling you what is the context. What is the context? Now if I copy an open sheet, see now I have all these phone numbers available to me. Email addresses are real. So that's how it works. Thank you.